Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make pants, perfect pants trouser. So the measurement you are going to be needing is the length of the trouser is 40. So here, here I measured 40 accurately because I'm putting band on it. So this is 40 plus half inches sewing allowance. So our trouser length is 40, our hip measurement is 38, our waist is 28, while our flap, our seam measurement is 23, our crotch is 12. So now the measurement I'm using here is 40. I'm still going to put 2 inches band at the waist side. So from now here now I now measure 40. So 2 inches for the turning allowance at the down parts and half inches for joining it to the waist, like for the band waist. So now from waist to hip is 7. From waist to hip is 7. So from my waist to hip is 7 inches. So the crotch measurement I'm using here is 10 plus the band making 12. Plus the band making 12. So now what we are going to be doing is here, here at the waist, I'll measure 1 inches here. So I will now blend it to the hip side. So I will come down to this lace. I will come down to this lace. It's pants, so I will use 2.5 here. If you like, you can use 2 inches, you can use 2. You can use 2 inches or 2.5. Here, I will use 1.5 inches here. So I will blend it to that place. So from here, I will blend it to the hip side like this. So after that, I will now go for the waist measurement. Earlier on, I told you that the waist is 28. So 28 divided by 4 is 7. So this is 7. This is 7 plus 1 inches for that, and I will add half inches to it. So the hip measurement is 38. The hip measurement is 38. 38 divided by 4 is 9.5. I'll add half inches allowance to it. So from there, I'll bring it down this way. So here, from the waist, I will remove 2 inches for the band. From the waist to this place is 12 inches for the crotch. So our crotch now, which is the thin measurement, is 23. So 23 divided by 2, that one is going to be divided by 2. It's 11.5. So this is it. I'm not going to add sewing allowance to this because I'm going to be adding it to the back measurements. So like so. So now all I have to do now is to take my chalk. I will blend it. It's palazzo pants to this lace. It's palazzo pants. So I will go back to the upper part at the waist side. I will take my tape this way at the crotch point. So now I will measure 1 inches here at the crotch point. I will measure 1 inches there. So I will now take my ruler like so. I will just blend it up like this. I'll bend it up like this. So now I will cut. I'm going to be cutting it out. So from here, I'll cut like so. So from here, I'm going to be cutting this way. Sorry for my table. So now cut it this way. So everything I use my chop to mark, I'll cut it out this way. This is our front panel for the pants. This is the front for the pants. So now I want to use the front panel to cut the back. Firstly, I forgot to tell you that this is a high waist pants. It's not the normal pants. If it's the normal pants, I will use 8 inches for the crush, 8 inches for the crush plus the band, making 10. But now I'm making use of 12 because it's an high waist pants. So this is the back panel. So now I've added the sewing allowance to it. I added 2 inches sewing allowance here like this. When I got to the crush, I tried to blend it to the crush area like this. So I take it back. So at the waist point, I added 1 inches to it. So we come down by half inches here at this waist point for the crush. So I added another 1.5 for the back crush because the bum bum is bigger than the front, so I added 1.5 for the back crush. I added it up, so I now blend it to this side. So I will just have to cut it out. So now this place that I remove 1 inches, I will add it back to the back. This place that I removed 1 inches earlier, I will add it back to the back. So I will add 1 inches back and blend it this way, like so. And blend it this way. So let me cut it out. So I'm cutting from here. Sorry. Let me cut here. So this is what I mean. I added 2 inches to it. This is the front panel, this is the back panel. Don't put your hand. So now this is the crush. I will have to cut it this way. So I told you earlier that I added 1.5 inches to the back crush to make it stand fitted. To make it so this is it. So I will add down 1 inches. Sarah, look at what I'm doing. I will add down 1 inches to this place back. So what I want to do now, look at the camera. Just focus on the camera. it out like so. So when I get to the hip side, the hip point, the 1 inches that I remove from the front cush, I will add it to the back. So this is it. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. So I will show you the picture after making it. Bye.